So another option for instead of sit-ups are hypopressives. Hypopressives are an amazing workout created by Dr. Cafres. This exercise work on postural muscles, work on specifically to activate the core and the pelvic floor muscles. He created specifically for women after having children to prevent, what happened after having kids, that is incontinence, organ prolapse, this muscle getting separated. So he created two methods. He created one that was specifically for treating this type of population, and the other one was more for fitness. Two is more like a prevention and wellness. So one is hypopressive for to treat women with diastasis recti, organ prolapse, urinary incontinence, and the other one is the fitness. The fitness is going to work more on improving your posture, improving flexibility, strengthening the whole body, improving your lung capacity. So this is the fitness. So he is the official original creator of the hypopressive, and I went to Spain to get certified. Woohoo! So I'm very happy to share this with you. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little demonstration. I have here my beautiful Lulu. I need you to move from there. Lulu, ¿te puedes mover? ¿Te puedes mover? ¿Te puedes mover, mi chiquita? Okay, so let's do it with her. It's okay. She's my lovely dog. So what are we going to do? Lulu. So let's do, for example, every hypopressive posture has a purpose, right? For example, if you are standing, there is a purpose for that. If you are sitting, so I'm going to do one that when I start with my clients, I like this one because it's very hard for them to engage all the information. So I like this one for them, and also has been very, I would say, efficient with people after having children, to prevent urinary incontinence, but also to make these ways smaller. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Oh, okay, so you're going to lay down on your back. So the first thing that you're going to think is about your alignment. So feel your body, feel your legs. Are they the same weight? Feel your neck, feel your shoulders. It's very good to scan the whole body, right? And then I want you to bend. Actually, let's keep it like that. So in hypopressive, you work with your postural muscles, right? The whole muscles that are connected from the neck all the way to the feet. So what I want you to do next is to make a double chin. When we make a double chin, the back arch a little bit. Then we think about the position of the shoulder. So you're going to bring the shoulders back. And then you're going to pull those arms down. Then you're going to slowly bring your hands, you turn your hands to your waist and keep it there. And it's hard to demonstrate it, but I'm going to go so you can see what is hypopressive about. First I feel my posture, the most important thing. Another one that I like to teach to my clients is this one. Okay, so these are hypopressive. If you see hypo means or hypo means reduction of the pressure, and what is happening is that the pressure increase. So that is why you see how the abdominal goes in, because when you do the breathing during hypopressive, what is happening is the diaphragm that is here is able to, relax. It's like we stretch the diaphragm. So with that breathing, the transverse abdomen is contract, bring everything together, is the one that looks like a corset, and the pelvic floor muscle that's carrying all those organs is able to also contract. So everything goes like that. Okay, my sweet people, so these are another option for 4 or 6 sit-ups. So you can use all those exercises, you can combine, but try to think about sit-ups, because sit-ups, I know we even when I went to school for my doctor's degree, for my bachelor's degree in physical therapy, my doctor's degree in physical therapy, I learned that sit-ups was the exercise of choice, but then we found out it was not the best one. So now in this time, we are more working on, is how you said, in functional movements, because we want the body to be able to keep moving with more more fluid movements, more efficient movements. Like I'm telling you, going upstairs and also getting up from the floor and being able to be more independent for longer time. That's a very important thing. And also because we have busy lives. We want to work many muscles at once, so that saves you time. Okay, my sweet people, thank you for watching these videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you again with more videos. Bye bye. Have a beautiful